Once again be unfurled, flying high over pirate waters. Shiver me timbers, what has we here? Annual meeting of the Brethren Court? Or does I need to call the zoo and inform them that all the party animals have escaped? Whatever be the case, if adventure be one, then I say drop anchor, mateys, cause you've charted a course to the right place. But where be my manners? Guess I left them in me skin. And allow me to introduce myself. The name be Jolly Roger, but I insist you call me J.R. Question for ye all. If you be ready for pirate fun and adventure, let me hear you shout, aye, aye!
Oh, welcome back, heels, funny bones.
I miss your sweet, bony face and that charming toothy grin of yours.
Oh, you be too kind. Why, if I had any skin at all, I'd be a blushing.
So tell me, are you and the rest of Mickey and Minnie's crew ready to begin the festivities?
What say all you scallywags? Who here be ready to party like a pirate? Then what you be waiting for? Stop your lollygagging and commence with the merrymaking. Time to band together and we'll
two.
Oh, that's easy.
If you're ready for lesson number one, shout I! Well done! Here's the lesson number one. Lesson number one! If ever a captain gives you an order or asks you a question, loud and proud say aye, Captain, try it! Aye, Captain! Altogether, once again, if ever a captain gives you an order or asks you a question, loud and proud say aye, Captain!
Well done and good for you. On to lesson number two.
Lesson number two!
We pirates be known as an adventurous bunch.
That be true!
We're also known for celebrating. All true pirates need to know how to dance a pirate jig.
Do exactly as we do. Here we go! That's right, true pirate!
So if asked, can you dance a pirate jig? Commence the dancing and make it
Your pirate sound is clear to see. Onward now to lesson number three.
Lesson number three!
Lesson number three.
Though we pirates do love our celebrating, we also need to appear fierce. Lesson number three, striking a fierce pirate pose.
Everyone, tune in with us. Reach down and grab your imaginary pirate sword and draw it to the sky.
Now swing to the left, then right, and loudly shout R.
wow, that is fierce.
So if asked, can you be pirate fierce? Show a crew you know what to do.
Since it sounds like you want more, on to lesson number four.
Lesson number four.
Lesson number four.
What does a pirate love more than anything?
The sea.
Adventure! Talking to a parrot!
Aye, those are all well and good, but the answer is treasure!
I treasure, we love the way it feels, and we love to shake our
If asked, what does a pirate love the most? We all yell treasure.
Now shake your booty, go!
Great job! Now the final review!
After this, and you'll be part of our pirate crew.
If ever a captain gives you an order or asks you a question, loud and proud say aye, Captain!
Can you dance a pirate jig? Do it now and show it big. Can you all be pirate fierce? Show a crew you know what to do.
Now what does a pirate love the most? Now shake your booty and go!
Congratulations!
We now all officially name you members of the Mickey
And Minnie's Pirate Crew! Well done, everyone!
Boy, that was good. Hey, crew, looky there. We've got company.
Oh no!
Mr. Smee?
Do pardon my interruption of your festivities, but you'll be needing to make way immediately, or sooner.
But why?
So we don't get hit by that cannonball.
Oh no! He's right, Goofy! He's not who I think it is!
Yes, it is I, the new caretaker and overseer of this fine vessel. Simply put, this ship is mine! Mr. Smee, status report.
Aye, Captain. The ship is now yours to do with as you please. Enjoy.
Oh, I shall.
But this is our ship.
Well, I say we win it back with a captain's challenge.
Who's lost that pirate code? Oh, very well. The terms. If I win, you walk the plank.
Oh no! Agreed.
And in the unlikely event that your crew succeeds,
We get the ship back. Do we have an agreement?
agreed.
So I say let the captain's challenge officially begin.
Remember, you are now all official members of Mickey and Minnie's pirate crew. Whenever the test respond loud and proud.
You can do it, crew. I know you can. Do exactly as we do.
Mr. Smee, test this so-called pirate crew.
Aye, Captain Folk. Look lively, you swabs. Now, the first thing any real pirate knows is that when a captain gives you an order or asks you a question, what do you say?
Impossible! Lucky guess. Smee, get to the next one. And make this one especially rough. Got it?
Aye, Captain. Oh, I just need the answer to the last question.
Smee!
Yes, sir, Captain, sir. Here's the next test. Oh, and it's a good one. All true pirates enjoy a good celebration.
Aye.
If you are real pirates, let the captain see a true pirate trick.
Show 'em, crew, and make it big. Let's move away.
No! It can't be! Smee! Tell me I'm seeing things!
If you saw some very impressive good work, Captain, then we're both seeing things.
Time to end this! A real pirate must be fierce!
You heard him. He wants to know, can you be pirate fierce?
Sure, crew, you know what to do.
He scared the wits out of me.
No!
Yes, yes, yes. That was the right answer, Captain.
So help me, Smee! I've got it! Prepare for your date with the light! Tell me, what do true pirates love the most?
Now shake your booty from coast to coast.
Please, would you? This can't be happening!
Oh, yes, it can.
And it just did.
Smee! Get me out of here!
Come on, Captain. Back to Neverland. Now, which direction is it from here?
With the codfish out of the way and this here ship back in your control, I'll say it's time to continue celebrating your brilliant new crew.
Agreed. Great cheers for our new crew. Hip, hip, hooray! You guys are gonna be the best crew ever.
We did it! Congratulations!
See you pirates later. Have fun, me hearties.
Welcome to the crew, everybody! You're a bigger treasure than a whole chest of golden acorns! Aye! See you later, everybody! Bye!
Well, crew, that was a great first adventure. I can't wait for our next one.
Bye-bye, everyone! See you on our next adventure!
Let's hear it one more time for Mickey and Minnie's Pirate Crew! Well, that was some of the most piracy fun I've had in a long time.
This calls for a celebration. If you're ready for something a bit more explosive, say...